Welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you a coffee pasta dessert. Let's get started. Let's start off with the coffee. We're just going to use a regular roast. If you want to, you could use an espresso. You could also use instant coffee. We're going to put in 2 scoops of coffee, add about a cup of flour. Mix this all together, and then we'll put in an egg. And as always, the texture that you're looking for is small pellets like cooked couscous. We've got some water here boiling. We're looking pretty good there. Give it a little pinch. Make sure that it stays together without being sticky. I'm just going to process it for another 10 or 15 seconds. This comes together pretty quickly. So I'm going to take about a golf ball sized piece here. And what I'm going to do is roll this right out on the widest setting. I'll just put that through a couple times before I go to a thinner setting. I am going to move to the thinnest setting pretty quickly. And I'm just folding those rounded ends so I get a nice flat piece here. One more time. I'm going to go with the thin noodles. I'll just use a chopstick to catch the pasta. We've got some boiling water and we'll just tip that right in. Give it a quick stir. It only takes a minute for this pasta to cook. What I've got over here is an ice bath. When the pasta is cooked, I'll drain it in the sink and then I'll dump the noodles into the ice bath. Cool those off really quickly before we plate them. So let's drain these. Put those right in the ice bath. Get rid of the ice. You can skip the ice bath and just use cool water. Put that right in there. Whipped cream. And we'll sprinkle some chocolate. Yum. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.